Let's make some pecan pie balls. You heard me right. Sounds great. All right, what we're going to do over here, we've got our saucepan. In our saucepan, we're going to start off by putting 1/2 a cup of light brown sugar, make sure it's packed, and 1/2 a cup of light corn syrup. We are now going to put this on the stove, and we're just going to cook this until the brown sugar is dissolved. In our bowl here, we're going to combine 1.5 cups of toasted almonds. Pecans. They're pecans. 1.5 cups of toasted pecans. What we did earlier today, we took our pecans, we put them in the oven at 350 degrees, and we baked them for roughly 8 to 10 minutes. To that, we're now going to add 1 cup of finely chopped dates and 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs. We're just going to mix that all together. All right, once we get it smooth, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla to our liquid. Stir that together. Once we get it mixed real well, we're just going to go over here and we're going to pour it over our mix. If you enjoy these recipes, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share. We'd really appreciate it. And this is going to become sticky really fast. Once you get it mixed and you want to work pretty fast, we're just going to take a teaspoon, and we're just going to take a teaspoon of the mixture. We're going to roll it into a ball, and it's going to be really sticky. That real compact. And then over here we're taking about 1 cup of pecans, and we have ground them up, chopped them, and we're going to stick them on a lined cookie sheet with parchment paper. I'm going to finish these up real quick. Oh, we ended up making about 24 of these. We did try some. They're absolutely delicious. We hope you could give this recipe a try.
There would have been 26, but I ate one, and he ate one. So there's 24 left.
That's all it gets.
That's all they get.